It sounds like we need a Clawbot support group because friends, wives, I know Ryan, your wife, my wife, they could get together too. My name's Gabriel Cowan, by the way. Oh, sorry?
We saw it anytime.
Great, I appreciate it. How many builders are here? Any builders? A few builders? And of you guys, how many of you have not slept for the last 6 weeks? Like almost no sleep. A little ADD? Anyone got a little ADD? A little ADD, right? A lot of ADD? Yeah, so ADD is literally my domain. ADD.app is my website. My brain works a little bit differently. I think in parallel processes, not singular straight lines. And I felt that for my whole life, that's felt like a real burden. But I want to talk for just a couple minutes about how OpenClaw is turning that into a superpower. So really quick on me. I started as a musician, got signed right out of high school, multi-platinum recording artist, scored a movie, fell in love with filmmaking, went back to film school, got my master's degree in film directing, made 20 feature films, found huge inefficiencies in the way that films were made, started building software. My first piece of software was called Audio Design Desk, ADD, and it 10x's editors' ability to create audio for their video projects. So I was already building kind of AI products when the ChatGPT moment happened. But when that moment happened, I knew I needed to start a lab, a place where I could start to experiment with these new tools that were coming out. So I started something called Maker AI. And our first product was called Talk To. Think like Khan Academy meets character AI. So what if kids could have personalized tutors made from the characters that they love? This product took 4 developers 4 months to produce. It cost a couple $100,000. Cut to 3 months ago, Opus 4.5 comes out. I'm getting to OpenClaw. In one night, for my $100 subscription, in one night, I was able, by myself, as a non-coder, with a simple PRD, to create that same product, to create Talk To. Then 6 weeks ago, my feed, like a lot of your feeds, started blowing up. What is going on with this OpenClaw thing? Or Clawbot at the time, then Maltbot, now Clawbot, now OpenClaw. And I'm not a coder, but I had Opus. So I went to my computer with Opus and I started figuring out how to install this thing. And we started talking, we birthed Danny is the name of my bot, Danny, who was a great old assistant of mine. And I started talking to Danny through Telegram, but then that didn't feel like the right place. So we started in Slack. And what we discovered through this process, again, not a coder, but through Opus, able to build an application inside of Slack, discover that each Slack channel is able to have its own memories, its own skills, its own LLMs, its own capabilities, and its own projects. And we're able to, I'm able to control all of those by one central command station. And it is for this reason that I haven't slept for the last 6 weeks. So, you know, having too many ideas has been a burden for me for my whole life. But what I'm now realizing is I just didn't have the right tools.